Libya's House Speaker Aguila Saleh urges immediate presidential elections to restore stability. In Libya, Aguila Saleh, Speaker of Libya's eastern-based House of Representatives, called on Libya's High National Elections Commission to immediately implement the law on direct presidential elections and hold the presidential vote. He called for the presidential elections to be held as soon as possible to accelerate Libya's path to political stability. In an official Facebook page of the Speaker's media office yesterday, Saleh expressed the Parliament's support for the peaceful demonstrations that took place across several Libyan cities, including those in eastern and southern regions. Demanding the acceleration of the presidential elections, the statement stressed that the demonstrations reflect the will of the Libyan people, which, which constitutes the source of authority. Since the fall of former leader Muammar Gaddafi in 2011, Libya has been split between two rival governments, the Tripoli-based government of national unity led by Abdul Hamid Debeiba and the eastern-based administration appointed by the House of Representatives and headed by Osama Hamad. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.